Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check the battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store, as we need to download a third-party app. We need to search for an app that is called G CPU. It's this one over here. Let's install it. And of course, let's wait a couple of seconds to let the app be downloaded and installed on our device. Once it is done, we need to open it. There we go. Of course, let's press this check over here in the bottom right corner. Let's press consent. Alright, and now over here we can go to battery over here in the top right corner. We can tap. Let's press OK, press consent. Alright, one more time. Let's go to the battery. Of course, you might see ads. However, the app is free, so you shouldn't be charged anything. And now over here we can see the information about the battery. Here we can see the temperature. Also here we can also see the same information, so here we also can read the temperature of our battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.